Modular closet tower storage solutions transform small homes by letting you tailor vertical space to changing needs immediately. Start by measuring your closet height, width, and door swing and record the dimensions so you design to real constraints. Choose freestanding tower units with drawers and shelves when you need a mix of folded storage and accessible small item bins because they require no permanent installation and can be rearranged easily. For seasonal or overflow items, use stackable locker modules that lock together. Stack from heaviest on bottom to lightest on top and add anti-tip straps if the stack exceeds chest height. Add attachable shoe and wrap racks to doors or sides of towers to free floor space while keeping footwear visible and off shelving. Opt for adjustable hanger positions so boots and flats both fit. Use clear-front cube towers for quick visual inventory of accessories and folded garments, and label each cube inside by category so you always find what you need without unpacking everything. For narrow closets or alcoves, choose anchorable narrow wardrobe towers with a single hanging rod plus slim shelves. Secure them to studs, or use toggle anchors into drywall and balance load so hanging garments do not pull the unit out of plumb. When planning, think in modules, not pieces, and prioritize accessibility by placing daily items at waist to eye level and lesser used items higher or lower. Common mistakes include overestimating how much you can stack, which makes units unstable and risky. Fix this by limiting stack height to what the manufacturer suggests and always use anti-tip anchors. Another issue is ignoring door swing, which blocks access when a tower protrudes. Resolve that by measuring door clearance and choosing shallower units or converting to sliding doors if possible. A third frequent problem is mixed depth components that waste space because narrow items fall behind deep shelves. Correct this by grouping same depth modules together and using clear bins or cube dividers to keep small items forward and visible. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and browse modular closet ideas and product links that match their space and budget. We also connect contractors with homeowners looking for modular closet installations and host a discussion community where we share tips, photos, and practical installation advice.